Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be unboxing this 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. Beautiful box art here. We've got a big tail wing right there. Got this car from a recent model show that I went to. I went to GraniteCon over in New Hampshire. Went there with a dear friend of mine. And I was looking through some of the models that were for sale. And he actually noticed this one and pointed it out to me. He knows that I'm a pretty decent Mopar fan, or at least I believe he does. And he caught his eye before it got a hold of me and pointed it out, and well, I had to take it home. So get this note off in there. That over here. Right out of the gate, got the going to be an AMT kit. The kit number is 6278 if you want to try to look this kit up. Pretty excited about building this car. I've got a couple of Chargers in my collection as it is. I've got the 69 Charger 500. I've got the RT, same year, and now I've got this. Probably going to be looking to add a 68. I really like the 68s with the round marker lights. But anyway, here's a little look at what the kit has. So it says it's got a 426 horsepower, 426 cubic inch Hemi. That looks like it's probably the only engine option for this particular car. 4-speed manual. It's got the 5-spoke mag wheels, which look great. 85 plus parts, full color decals, paint and cement not included, which is typical. Here's a look at what you can do with the car. Of course, they've got the picture of the car being fully built in that orange. They've got the regular stock 426. You've got the like some sort of drag racing version, and a look at the interior. So we got a package. It's all still in the package. The guy that I bought it from was pretty decent. He had a ton of vehicles in his collection. Oh, we'll take the glass right out of the way, and it's very simple glass. Nothing special about that. It doesn't look to be damaged. We'll probably look to repackage that in its own package. This car comes with 4 decent tires. You can see the tread or not. The goal is, because I have to do all my videoing in my kitchen, I've set up this cardboard backing for now. And like I'm going to try to show you that they're Goodyear tires. I think it's easier for the phone. It is a video recording off from is my phone, for the phone to focus on it. These appear to be all solid rubber. They're pretty firm. And what's it say here? Goodyear polyglass. I don't really know what polyglass means. I like to build models, but I don't actually, believe it or not, I don't work a ton on real cars. Then it comes with these kind of wide drag racing looking tires. There's 2 of them. And these are also Goodyears. I've been saving these in a collection because they've got this really cool tread pattern. And I'm looking to build a dirt car. So right out of the gate, we got the chrome. I don't typically open my chrome. It's got the mag wheels over here, the drag racing wheels, got your blower, the stacks, the valve covers, and then it's got the 5-spoked regular wheels here. Carburetors, front and rear to the blower. Not bad chrome package. It's got a steel axle and the typical Charger tail lights. Your decal pack is got your 3 stripes, black, red, and white. Got a Florida plate and a Georgia plate. There's your Georgia plate. There's your Florida. So right off the bat, I can see that some of the parts have fallen off in the parts trees, which I'm fine with. I've built enough Chargers that I know what I'm doing. That set aside. Okay, so there's the nose clip. That kind of wants to come off. Got your radiator right there. I'm not sure what all this is. These right here are these hood deflector things for like probably where the flashing light for the indicator for your blinker. A little bit of flash right here on the sides for the wing. We'll take care of that. It's no huge deal. I'll just stick this over here for now. So looks like some sort of scoop. I don't know what all of this is, but looks like some sort of a scoop to me. Guess we could look at the instructions. See what that is. I'll go get those out right now anyway. They're kind of yellowed from age. Same basic instructions you get with every other Charger. Nice instruction sheet. Tells you what color to paint things. I don't see where that part is though. No, I don't see where that goes. But it's got to be part of it because we had to cut the package open. It's not like it was added in afterwards. So we'll get a better look at things and figure it out. Oh, right there. There it is. It is a hood scoop. That's the parts. That's that part right there. I guess if you wanted to build the drag version, put the blower on. These are all engine parts that have fallen off. Okay, so yeah, here's kind of tangled. But your engine halves, transmission halves, your oil pan. I feel a little shaky today. Air filter cover, headers, intake, fan. I like these Charger kits because they're so basic. They're not hard to do. There's your blower for your pulleys for your blower. More of that hood scoop thing. Armrest, your dash. This is probably the top of that fin that goes across the trunk. Hood and your steering wheel. Batteries loose. Inserts and spindles for the front tires. Part of your interior center console. Another intake. Cylinder heads and your distributor. These are always warped a little bit. The exhaust, I've never had a Charger kit that wasn't. It's all molded together, the exhaust, the rear end, the leaf springs. Got your front seats and your firewall. Same interior. Your basic back seats. Not a ton of side door detail. They're not. And that doubles as part of the bottom. We'll put that together before we put it back in the box, and then that way there, that'll save a little space. Got your undercarriage, your front, some of your front suspension's already molded in. You have two selections, so you can raise or lower the front. The same way in the back. Now on the first Charger we built together, the 69 Charger 500, we had to drill these out to get the metal spindles to fit. Probably gonna have to do that again. That's heavy. That's a nice thick body right there. Basic Charger front end, sides. Got a little bit of parting line stuff right here. It's gonna have to be worked on, but overall decent body. We're excited about the thought of getting this one underway. I haven't put really any thought into how I'm gonna build it, what it's gonna look like at the tail end. Just that it's gonna look like that. Just unsure what color and finished product. But it's not a tunnel back. It's a fastback like the Charger 500, because I guess that's how they built this particular model of car. Pretty excited about getting into this one. Makes me want to unbox the RT I've got. I need a little bit of wobble. Can work that out though. A-pillars are good. We'll slide this all together. Consolidate it down. Put it together there. Slide up in here. There, save a little space in the box. That'll conclude out this unboxing. If you followed along to the end, I'd appreciate it if you'd give the video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the question or comment section below. As I showed you, we do have a Facebook group. Go ahead and join that Facebook group. Post up some of your own photos, your own stuff. And or a video, if you make a video of your own model building. I just ask that you keep the group clean, and we'll be good. So we see each other again. Everybody out there, be safe. Everybody be blessed.